Welcome back to our channel. In this video, so you made your first crypto trade. You felt good about it, maybe even a little smug. You read the charts, checked the news, and thought, yeah, I've got this. Then the market did what the market does. And just like that, your easy win turned into an emotional roller coaster. Let's say you bought in at $50,000. Your confidence, sky high. Your portfolio, all green. Everything felt perfect. Until it didn't. One red candle. Not a crash, just a dip. But enough to make you second-guess everything. Now you're checking your phone 30 times an hour. Now you're questioning everything. Was I too early? Should I have waited? Am I about to lose it all? You're stuck. Staring at the screen like it's a test you didn't study for. You check Twitter, Reddit, even random YouTube comments. Looking for any answer that'll make this feel better. But here's the spoiler. No one really knows. Still, you hold. You convince yourself. It's fine. It'll go back up. Meanwhile, you're sweating bullets. Checking the price every 5 minutes. And then, it happens. You either sell, completely drained, or you hold, terrified of what's next. Either way, you've just learned the hardest lesson in crypto. It's not just about making smart trades. It's about managing your emotions when everything's on the line. You might have lost some money, but you gain something more valuable, experience. You'll bounce back. Crypto is a long game, and over time, you'll learn to ride the waves without panicking every time the market hiccups. Like this video if you've been there. Subscribe if you're ready to level up your trading mindset.